Which country recently launched the world's first 5G-enabled smart classroom? Correct answer is option B, South Korea. Who became the first woman to lead the International Monetary Fund? Correct answer is option A, Christine Lagarde. The first Battle of Panipat was fought in. Correct answer is option A, 1526. Who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? Correct answer is option A, Chandragupta I. The largest river island in India is. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following Indian states? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who is the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is option A, Meera Kumar. The directive principles of state policy are. Correct answer is option B, non-justiciable. The Reserve Bank of India is responsible for the regulation of. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Who is known as the father of Indian economic reforms? Correct answer is option B, Manmohan Singh. The famous dash form Kathakali is associated with which state? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. The Bharatnatyam dash form is a classical dance form of which state? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Who was the first woman to be appointed as the Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option D, Indu Malhotra. The famous Khadi cloth movement is associated with which freedom movement leader? Correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. The first Indian state to implement GST was. Correct answer is option B, Assam. The highest point of India is. Correct answer is option B, Kanchenjunga. The equator is situated at what degree latitude? Correct answer is option A, 0 degree. Who wrote the famous book Pride and Prejudice? Correct answer is option C, Jane Austen. The author of the book Gitanjali is. Correct answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Which of the following is used as the primary input device of a computer? Correct answer is option B, keyboard. The term HTTP stands for. Correct answer is option A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The leader of the non-cooperation movement was. Correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. The novel The Catcher in the Rye was written by. Correct answer is option A, J.D. Salinger. The fundamental rights are contained in which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option A, part 3. A computer virus is. Correct answer is option A, a software program that prevents the system from functioning properly. Which of the following is the most reactive group in the periodic table? Correct answer is option B, alkali metals. What is the name of the process where a liquid turns into a gas? Correct answer is option B, evaporation. Which type of lens is used to correct myopia? Correct answer is option B, concave lens. What is the process of converting a solid directly into a gas is called? Correct answer is option A, sublimation. Which of the following states was recently granted special category status by the Indian government in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. The 2025 G20 summit was held in which country, focusing on climate change and global economic recovery? Correct answer is option B, South Africa. Which Indian art form is known for its intricate paper cutting design? Correct answer is option C, Sanji. What is the primary objective of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? Correct answer is option B, provide financial inclusion to all households. Which global leader fought against apartheid in South Africa? Correct answer is option B, Nelson Mandela. Which of the following is India's largest metro network as of 2025? Correct answer is option A, Delhi Metro. What is the theme of the 2025 Republic Day Parade in India? Correct answer is option C, sustainable development. The first female governor of an Indian state was. Correct answer is option A, Sarojini Naidu. Which nation signed a historic peace agreement with its neighboring country in 2025, ending a decade-long conflict? Correct answer is option C, Colombia. In 2025, which city was designated as the European Capital of Culture? Correct answer is option C, Milan. Which country won the most number of gold medals in the 2022 Winter Olympics? Correct answer is option D, Norway.